The former deputy of Nnamdi Kanu, which is Uche Mefor, has blasted the Biafra government in exile for the election in Imo State and went ahead and said that if any more threat coming from them that they will buy am, he's saying go wipe them all. No be small thing, no. Mo go find out how they talk and how it talk this thing. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Barnabas GC. If today is the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. I been no be small thing, no. Before we proceed, make sure say you give the channel a follow so that more updates will come your table. Will they here? No moving, no shaking. Okay, my people, let's look into the matter we carry us come here today. Uche Mefor, the former deputy of Nnamdi Kanu, has come aside to blast Biafra government in exile and say that the election that sit at home they did yesterday is not totally nonsense. No be smart, you know. You know, say na so person take talk something, na so they bring and come give you. May you know wetin dey happen and may you know wetin dey go for the area. No be smart thing. We go play this video. How they talk, as he talk so many things in that video. He also went ahead and talked so many things that Nnamdi Kanu lie against him. That be smart thing. We will still play the video. May you watch from beginning to end, and we'll come back to analyze the video more better.
I have just come to, of course, review the election that has gone ahead in Imo State, and it is an emphatic evidence of what we have been talking about. Election in Imo State has come and is officially conducted, whether you voted or you don't vote. Whether you are boycotting an election, conducting curfew or not. The greatest losers are the ESN or non-government, IPONC, IPOB, Biafra Republic government in exile, autopilot. And we will always be vindicated. And it is a fact that you will continue to lose as long as you continue on that path. You are no Biafra more than I am. So continue with your criminality and continue to lose and continue to be on the edge, on the periphery. I am Uche Mefor, and I'm a phenomenon. You cannot change me. The greatest solution and panacea to election rigging in Biafra land and in Igbo land in Southeast specifically is mass turnout of voters, mass turnout of Southeasterners, mass turnout of Igbos, with evidence of that mass turnout and with evidence that they voted and with evidence that they have voted for a particular candidate. That is the only way you can have legitimate claim against any anomaly. And it is also showing, it is an emphatic evidence that you are one of the owners of the land and that you have exercised your civic duty, which is quite different from being on the periphery, being a protest group, going into criminality, going into unleashing all manner of human rights violations against your own people. There is never a way self-determination can be gotten outside political process. Our people are wasting the potential they have, which is their numbers. You must involve yourself in political process. You must participate, and you must put pressure on the rogue politicians being imposed on you. It is not a one-day affair. It calls for persistent participation and insistence that the right thing is done. It is about protection of human rights and fundamental freedoms of all. It is about calling for good governance. It is about insisting that the right thing is done. And like I said, none of you are more Biafran than myself. And I will continue to be vindicated. And this one is asking, where do you stand? I stand for the self-determination of Igbo Biafra nation, for the emancipation of an Igbo nation state. It's as simple as that. And quintessentially, it is based on principle of international human rights law and the international dictate on self-determination. It is based on international best standard, not criminality, not unleashing terror on your own people. You must have to show, if you are participating, you're seeking for the right to self-determination, you must have to show that you have human rights credentials, that you can protect the ordinary people, that you can govern yourselves, that you can stand and defend the ethos of democracy, human rights, and fundamental freedoms of all. Anything outside this is criminality. It's as simple as that. Continue to doubt me and continue to fail. It's as simple as that. Imo State election has once again vindicated people like us. There is no way you can take over political control of Biafra land by staying away from the electoral process. You must have to participate. And by participating, you give marching order to rogue politicians. It's as simple as that. So, there is no too much talking on this. You have seen what you have done to yourselves once again by campaigning for boycott of election in Imo State, by indeed embarking on acts that are inimical to the progress of our people, trampling on their human rights, the right to vote, and the rest of it. You have seen what you've done to yourself by going on brigandage, by going on all manner of criminality. You are the worst losers ever, and it's on record. Until you have your senses back, you shall continue to go around in circles. I shall be vindicated, and I'm already being vindicated. And you are no Biafran more than myself. Dara and Dara. I will come back, but go and continue to lick your wounds. I remain Uche Mefor. May peace be with those who want peace. Onye na-achọkwa n'udo nya je ekwu isi n'aja. Maka ndị na-asị Uche Mefor nwere ndị ha sị na ha si autopilot or say no Biafra Republic government in exile, and the IPOB that they have put me on the list of those that will be executed. Mecha unu ife. Honestly, alụ ga-eme unu. If you are going that way, alụ ga-eme unu. Dala. Unu afụghị unu mere onwe unu. You will continue to be on the periphery.
Some of the things the whole thing at the end of the day, you hear the Supreme Lion now the Kanu twice. Uche Mefor Radio Biafra. Radio Biafra under a former IPOB community radio. Remove all the satellite platform there. Remove the internet streaming platform there. TN IPOB community radio. You can broadcast TV. Nobody is hearing your voice. Nobody is hearing your voice. You told people to remove IPOB, Radio Biafra app from their phone. Then with a new radio station, IPOB community radio, it dawned on you that you did that rubbish to yourself. You removed everything from Radio Biafra, migrated to IPOB community radio. Because now IPOB community radio was a new platform, people were not hearing you. People were used to Radio Biafra. So how will they be hearing you when you are not live on radio? Don't I blame another person. Nande. Anyway, can I get? Okay, for this thing, you will all bear the consequences. Now, like I was saying, and like our brother was saying, Ezioku Bihajaga. There is no way Biafra of 1967 to 1970 will be restored where the former component nations are not in agreement and the territory is now being disputed. The best thing to do is for everybody to go their separate ways. Biafra restoration project will continue in its finest form. Ndị Ijo Biafrans go for your own separate quest for self-determination. Anang, go for your separate quest for self-determination. Igbo Biafrans, go for your separate quest for self-determination. That is how it should be. And that is what brought about the Igbo Biafra nationalism. Whether you like it or not, time will tell. Time will tell. Uche, therefore, you have lost relevance among the Igbo youth betrayed yourself. If you are Abu Namusigi, bring out your picture, use your real name, and talk to me. And of course, like I said, when you are mentioning Uche Mefor, you're writing Uche Mefor, you must stand still because I'm not in your league. It's as simple as that. Ifem Bugo, Alunu Mego, you will stand against. It cannot survive it. So sorry for yourself and sorry for your generation for talking nonsense. The fact remains that Uche Mefor, you are not relevant, but you are here. I'm giving you sleepless nights. You will continue to cry. You will continue to toil and moil for this your treachery. Unu jelo kunu kwụsị election a na-eme. Nna unu kwuru the Kanu, the supreme liar. These proposals were given to him either in private discussion as well as written down. He cannot deny it. Some of the members of the sycophantic DOS members, I have spoken in one or two of the meetings. And you think that it is about cooking up lies to destroy Uche Mefor's name, Obido Obienu's name, Ezekwesili's name, Jojo Onyibe's name, and the rest of them. That is the only way you can score a point. You have seen it. Okuko no na ngige no na-egwu, ngige no na-egwu. It's as simple as that. Let us see where you're going. Dala and Diala. So at the end of the day, what it is that there is no way lies, deception, they killing of innocent Igbo Biafran sons and daughters, the slaughtering of Igbo Biafran sons and daughters, we earn you freedom until you bend down. Kwụsị ikwu isi kpakakpaka na nzuzu and follow the guidelines and face reality. There is no other way. Unu you will come back. Unless more in which case you will continue to go round in circles until you fizzle away forever and ever. It will cause. And then Makandi neme aga-egbu gị ya eme nke a unu megide ihe a o nwere stage ọ ga-abụ unu afụ na you people have no monopoly of violence. I can assure you that you can't get freedom with egbe ezuru n'ori. You can't get freedom with beheading your brothers and sisters in order to blame the enemy. You can't get your freedom from brigandage and destroying the economy of Igbo nation, of the Southeast. You cannot. This is where I differ from all of you. And that is why you were able to sabo where you are. But in Sobado, Muabu Sabo, now Nuku, Mega Sabo. The other go. So, what a boon jazwaga, una fuge hunu melo woon. Whether more before you may vote, more bumade boa, more ito, election has taken place, and there must be a winner. Simple as that. Compare it when massive number of people come out to vote and record it and make sure that they have evidence that they voted, so that Kerig is here. Then unu prefer also unu mechie nu the whole market the whole afia niile dị n'ala Igbo. Also unu mechie nu ụzọ niile dị n'ala Igbo. Also unu rarụ n'ọfịa, also unu rarụ n'ezi. Go inside the bush and sit down. Sleep there. Come out on the road and lie down. There must be election when there will be election. The only way you can be part of what is happening and have, a substantial influence over your future is to participate in that election and take control of your territory. Push out, give these rogue politicians being installed by Abuja marching orders by going out en masse and outvoting them. You may not succeed in only one election, but consistency matters. Every time I get an election, make effort that na so Sunday maka organize the buy bundegano about. Amount to give that pressure. You will see it. These politicians now they'll run away. But in Kabun unu buebwe mende woto unu on the periphery neti sompu yes unu neti mpu and helu but at the end of the day small number of minority of politicians installed by Abuja will be taking decisions on your head, and what's come to us in Ikaneti, they are killing also, whereby you have the capacity to take over and be in political control, be in position of decision making, and take that decisions for yourself and for your people. Organic and male. Other than now, well, on the buy is yoku. But no, if you just
yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, no be small thing. Say you don't watch am, you don't hear waiting Uche Mefor talk for this particular video concerning the election yesterday and some things wey he talk about Biafra government in exile and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. No be small thing o. As we dey talk that one, another one when dey happen. Be my people, I want make you leave your own opinion, your own contribution of wetin Uche Mefor talk and the thing wey you need to tell am for comment section, and make sure say you share this video so that more people go see am and make dem know wetin dey go on for the side where we dey. No be small thing o. You see this Biafra issue, a lot of things is going on, which is so many people are confused as we dey talk right now. Let me tell you the truth, so many people now use one leg stay dey watch wetin dey happen, and where so many people still dey talk. Even Biafra government in exile don't expect so many people come out as US, which is during the time of Nnamdi, when Nnamdi Kanu dey, he still do am. So people when they ask questions, say wetin dey go on for inside this Biafra struggle where we dey. Uche Mefor don carry his own come again. He said this one na Igbo nation na him stand for. Things are happening. Abeg, more na no dey use our brain and our life dey play for this Biafra matter. I don't talk am so many times. If the whole Biafra no fit stand for one thing, may everybody dey manage as we take dey instead of say we go dey buy ourselves dey go for this matter. I be our own contribution we want you put too, but I want make you leave your own contribution. Please drop your comment respectfully. Here we are bringing you updates. We are not here to make any decision. We are bringing you update of things where they happen. Leave your own comment and drop your comment respectfully, guys. Please share this video so that more people will know wetin dey go on.